After an unforgettable summer at the Paris Olympics, we're thrilled to return to the City of Light, this time in late November, where Paris is draped in winter charm. From our journey across 2 flights to a seamless arrival in
Montmartre.
Today we dive straight into adventure. We'll explore the iconic Musée d'Orsay, marvel at masterpieces by Van Gogh, Renoir, and Monet, and soak in the magic of Parisian life, one cafe stop at a time. So stick around as we kick off this cozy winter adventure, and it begins now. Welcome to the Carl Ventures channel. I'm Carl, and alongside my husband Matthias, we're on an adventurous mission to explore the world with boundless curiosity and open hearts. Our journey is all about immersing ourselves in diverse cultures, connecting with people from all walks of life, and promoting positivity and understanding wherever we go. Join us as we embark on this thrilling adventure together, so buckle up and let's dive into the unknown. Right, we made it to LAX, getting ready for our flight to Seattle, and from Seattle we fly to Paris. So we got into the Delta Sky Club. We always miss this because we're always in a rush to get to the gates, but now we have a little bit of time so we can check it out. Yeah! Our journey back to Paris began under the crisp, clear skies of Los Angeles, a sharp contrast to the warm summer glow that had accompanied us to the Paris Olympics just months ago. The city was bustling with holiday travelers, and after a smooth check-in at LAX, we found refuge in the Delta Sky Lounge, where a soft hum of distant conversations and the comfort of plush chairs provided a brief escape from the chaos outside.
Good morning. It's what time is it? Like 5:35 in the morning. Someone got a good plate over here. Okay, where are you going? Where are you heading?
I'm going to the left.
What's your seat number? What's your seat number?
3C.
Yay! I'll see you later, alligator.
Our flight to Seattle departed on time, and as we soared above the Pacific Northwest, the snow-capped peaks of the Cascades bid us farewell before we boarded the second leg of our trip. This segment held special meaning. It was the final leg of the Air Tahiti Nui round-trip tickets we had been awarded last year, a remarkable gift that had brought us to Paris not once, but twice in 2024. The transatlantic flight to Paris was long, and we were giddy with anticipation despite the hours stretching behind us.
Where are we? For real? How do you know? Give us some proof. Where's the evidence?
Right here.
It does say, it sounds French, right? So
behind me is Charles de Gogh. And this is going to be our second time this year in Paris, and we're just waiting for an Uber ride. It's 7, what is it now? Oh. We touched down in Paris just as the city began to stir in the early morning hours. The weather, now brisk and draped in a soft wintry gray, was a stark departure from the golden warmth of the summer games. Immigration was a breeze, and as soon as we collected our luggage, we headed into our Uber to... Our hotel, nestled in the heart of this historic neighborhood, exuded Parisian charm with its quaint balconies and cozy ambiance. After settling in, we ventured out for a leisurely brunch, savoring buttery croissants and perfectly brewed coffee. The energy of its cobblestone streets and bustling cafes felt timeless and familiar, a comforting reminder of why we love this city so much.
So we reached the Musée d'Orsay. This is like a palace and a museum. I'll give you more features in a few minutes when we get in.
Fueled by caffeine and excitement, we made our way to the Musée d'Orsay. Housed in a stunning Beaux-Arts railway station, the museum immediately captured our imagination with its grandeur. Inside, we were transported back to the 19th century as we wandered through galleries filled with masterpieces by Van Gogh, Renoir, Cézanne, Monet, Monet, Pissarro, and Rodin. The Musée d'Orsay ceiling is a grand vaulted glass and steel structure, originally part of the Beaux-Arts railway station. It stands out for its exceptional curation, historical significance, and iconic environment, making it a must-visit for visitors. And from an art exhibition perspective, it uniquely bridges the gap between classical and modern art, offering a comprehensive view of the 19th and early 20th century artistic evolution. Key highlights include Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. It houses one of the world's largest collections of works by Monet, Van Gogh, Renoir, Degas, and Cézanne, providing a deep dive into these revolutionary movements. And because of the museum's diverse mediums, it showcases a variety of artistic expressions from paintings, sculptures, decorative arts, photography, and architecture, all within a single space. Chronological and contextual display features collections that are arranged to highlight the historical progression of art, allowing visitors to see how styles and movements developed over time. Industrial Grandeur offers a unique setting of a converted Beaux-Arts train station that enhances the viewing experience, blending architecture and art seamlessly. With a focus on French art, while international artists are included, the museum's dedication to French art offers a rich cultural narrative. The Musée d'Orsay currently features three remarkable exhibitions by Harriet Backer, her color and light in paintings, Céline Lagarde, her early photographic works, and Barbara Chase Ribaud, a contemporary showcase of sculptures reflecting on history and identity. And just a little note on Impressionism. So it is a 19th century French art movement that captured light, color, and everyday scenes with loose brushwork and outdoor painting. Key artists include Monet, Renoir, and Degas, and it influenced modern art by breaking traditional rules. It also features a collection of 19th and early 20th century medals and coins, including works by artists like Oscar Rodin. It also offers souvenir medallions and commemorative coins such as those from the Monet de Paris Museum Masterpieces series celebrating French art and history. Impressionism is historically significant because it broke away from traditional academic art by focusing on personal perception, light, and color rather than realistic depictions of historical or mythological subjects. Artists like Monet and Renoir used loose brushwork and bright colors to capture fleeting moments of everyday life, often painted outdoors.
A cat nap.
This innovative approach influenced future art movements, making Impressionism a key turning point in the evolution of art. This is a stunning work of art. The clock at Musée d'Orsay is an iconic feature of the museum. Its large ornate face is positioned above the museum's central atrium, offering views of Paris through its transparent glass. The clock symbolizes the building's transition from 19th century station to a major cultural museum. The transparent glass face of the clock allows visitors to look through it and enjoy views of the surrounding city, especially across the Seine River. The clock's grandeur and historical significance make it a striking focal point in the museum, embodying both the building's past as a train station and its present as an important cultural institution. There's also a detailed model of the 19th century Paris under a glass floor, offering a bird's eye view of the city's iconic landmarks, streets, and boulevards. This intricate representation showcases Paris's architectural transformation during Baron Haussmann's era, blending history with art. The glass floor provides a unique perspective while protecting the mode. Baron Haussmann under Napoleon III modernized Paris in the 19th century with wide boulevards, parks, and iconic Haussmannian architecture. Though controversial, his work transformed Paris into a global symbol of elegance and urban planning. Exiting the museum, one feels a profound sense of inspiration and connection to the artistry within. The vivid memories of Impressionist masterpieces, sculptures, and the museum's stunning architecture linger, evoking gratitude for the creativity and history preserved there. The nearby Seine and the beauty of Paris enhance the reflective mood, leaving one seeing the world with a renewed sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation of art and life. As we step out of the Musée d'Orsay, the light of the Seine reflects the timeless beauty of Paris, and our minds swirl with images of Monet's waters, Van Gogh's energy, and Degas' dancers. Its grandeur, once a railway station, bridges art and history, leaving one deeply grateful. Walking along the Seine, I see the world anew, finding beauty in every ripple, shadow, and face, a gift from the Musée d'Orsay that will stay with me forever. Thank you for watching. Peace and blessings to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.